Well, good afternoon, guys. Your boy Moni bring you another soap video. Hopefully this one is better than the last. Today I'm making one of my more popular soaps, turmeric root soap. Yeah, here we go. I got my light solution already mixed up. Still a little bit warm, but close to room temperature. I got my oil, which is olive oil, my oil-based olive oil, and I got my non-GMO root turmeric powder. First step, I'm gonna mix it with my base oil. Try not to get any air bubbles into it. Now I'm gonna mix my light solution with my olive oil, which is gonna start the saponification process. Now that I got my light solution and my olive oil halfway mixed up, I'm gonna add my turmeric powder. Try not to make a mess here. Try not to get any air bubbles in as well. Okay, now that I got everything mixed up, I'm gonna keep mixing to bring it to semi-trace. Well, not really trace. I'm not gonna trace mine as thick as the normal or the average soap maker. I'm just gonna mix it to where the turmeric powder is suspended in the oil. It's not really settling to the powder. See, it's not really at a certain trace to where you can see the soap sit upon itself, but I'm still gonna pour it because I'm confident that the turmeric is suspended enough to where it's not gonna start settling towards the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna start to pour. Try not to make a mess here. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. But here we go.